I used banana, ginger, and baking soda on my teeth for 7 days, and what happened shocked me. No chemicals, no expensive dentist visit, just a few ingredients from your kitchen. Stay tuned with me until the end because this result will blow your mind, guys. Please, if you subscribe to my channel and you try it and it does not work for you, come back to unsubscribe to this channel, okay? I'm betting you guys with this thing. Well, stay tuned. Let's start and begin the video. I put my baby in my bag, so let's start. Okay, my people, I have three ingredients here, but I still have to bring two more ingredients to add it because I'm going to use 5 ingredients. But before that, please, let's take a look of banana. We all eating banana every day, right? You are eating banana every day. I'm eating banana every day. Do you have idea about banana peel is holding whitening minerals like potassium, magnesium, and manganese for your teeth? Do you know that? Well, I know maybe you don't have any idea about those things. Yes, those minerals is gentle polishing your teeth white and helping fitting strand whiten your teeth without any problem to your teeth. So I'm showing you guys this banana, without putting any difficult thing to your teeth. Please focus with what I'm doing, okay? Because you have to do it the right way, exactly what I'm doing, so that you can get the best result. But guys, I'm going to tell you, I was trying to chop my ginger. You can use some small mortar if you have mortar, or if you know that you can just use knife to chop it a little bit small pieces, no problem. You can do it that way, you can do it this way, or you use your mortar to mortar it. Okay, now let's check and see the ginger, the benefit of ginger. Now I'm chopping my ginger. Ginger is full of antioxidant and vitamin C that kill bacteria and refresh your breath, and also it helps reduce gum infection and keep your mouth feeling clean and healthy. So we just grab some small piece of the ginger to add inside. Okay, this is very important. Well, but you can do it without adding ginger. Maybe if you are going to say you have a problem with your ginger, you can do without adding it. You see what I'm doing with the banana peel? That is how you are going to remove the inside from the banana. Well, after you peel your banana, the inside, you just use spoon or teaspoon or knife to just scrub and remove the inside from the banana and use to make this whitening teeth. Okay, so guys, it's time for me to add my baking soda. Okay guys, let me tell you people, baking soda, that is the whitening hero. Baking soda is a whitening hero. Baking soda is the secret behind of many of natural whitening hack. Okay, it is removing yellow from from your teeth, whether you are drinking coffee, whatever that you drink, and you see that there are some stink in your mouth. Baking soda is just like a magic, removing it very quickly. So it also balance with acid and making your teeth smell on the gum also, looking very nice. But you don't need to put too much of baking soda, okay? But it depends of, let me tell you, it depends of the quantity that you are going to make, okay? And I can only advise you, don't make it too much. Make it maybe 3 days you use it, and 3 4 days you can throw away. The following week use it 3 times in a week or 4 times. When you just say you use it too much 4 times in a week, it's okay. The following week you make again. Okay, this is the way that it will work for you. Use it consistency and don't use too much of baking soda also. Okay, don't use everything too much. Small you need to use, but use the right ones. So now guys, after that, after mixing my things also, I'm adding my toothpaste also. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of toothpaste that I'm adding inside. Okay, so toothpaste, as we all know, after toothpaste also, I'm still having one more ingredients that I'm going to add inside, guys. Just a minute. So the next ingredient that I'm adding is my lemon. Okay, make sure also maybe your lemon is organic one. But how can you know that this lemon is organic? If there is no seed inside your lemon, then you have to know that that lemon is not organic one. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, but if you find any seed, there is seed inside your lemon, it means that's the organic lemon. Okay, lemon also, it also contains vitamin C and a little natural acid that help fit stubborn plaquing. When they say stubborn plaquing, like when you eat something it just stick in your mouth, as I already said it, or coffee, those things is change your teeth calorie. These things is removing those stubborn things. It will clean those stubborn things, and your gum also is going to be very very clean. So this whitening treatment is very very powerful, and I bet you guys, if you try it and come back to tell me how it go with you. If you try it and it does not work for you, please come back to unsubscribe to my channel. Okay, but if you try it and it's work, try to come back and take that video, share it with about 100 people in your phone, your WhatsApp, share it with them so that they also can benefit, because the benefit that you are getting is good for someone also to get. That is why I'm also decided to bring it out to share with you people what I get from this thing. I want someone also to, I want to help some people also, so that they also can white their teeth naturally without spending much in the dentist. So guys, yes, now this is the way. After put it inside this way, I put inside my plastic, that small container. So now I'm going to put it inside my fridge. Okay, I'm going to put it inside the fridge for 3-4 days. So the remaining one is the action time. I'm going to use it and brush. You can see my daughter, she's my back. Even I pack her in my back. We make hot oil treatment, guys. We did a hot oil treatment. I made a treatment with my onion, pineapple leaf, garlic and ginger oil. So you can watch that video also. We make a hot oil treatment. If you check the channel, you will see the video also. Try to watch it. I don't know whether that one I'll post first before this, or this one is going to come first. I don't know which one it will come first, but that video also will come soon. So now it's time to brush it. Please, while you are brushing your teeth, always try to take it gentle, brushing it gentle. Don't be harsh, or don't make it too much like you are fighting with your mouth or your tongue or your gum. You have to take it cool with yourself. Okay, if you watch it up to this point, you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. My returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. Banana, this brought this thing, Charlie. I did not expect it to work fast like this. To be honest with you guys, I did not expect it, so it shocked me. Banana strengthening enamel, and ginger is keeping gum healthy, and baking soda also removing particles from your mouth or from your teeth, and lemon also adding a brightening glues to your teeth. So now after I finish, now I'm putting my lip balm on my lip. So look at me, oh, the teeth is teething. You yourself, if you just try it once 2 times, you yourself, you will notice the difference. Just 2 times you will notice the difference. If you are going to be honest, guys, you will notice the difference. And after getting the difference, please do me a favor, come back here and share to more people. Okay, bye bye, we love you people.